Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a alert using Bootstrap. So here is the different types of alert you can see here using Bootstrap. So here is the code, and here also the different type of alerts. When I click on that, it will show nice we have triggered this alert. When I click again, it will show a alert message. See, when I click again, it will keep alerting that you have click on the button. So here are the different types of alert using Bootstrap. You can scroll down and you can see the different type of alerts. So I am going to show you how to use this. So before that, I have linked my CSS file. In my before videos, I have shown you how to link that CSS and JS file. After that, it will work. Otherwise, it will not work without CSS and JS CDN. So I am going to copy this code and I will paste it in body tag, and I will see the result. See, different type of alerts have been shown. I'll change the title here, alert. Here you can see different type of alerts. You can copy this also, this live alert. So here is the down the HTML. I'll copy this in body tag. Now I'll copy this JS file and I'll make a script tag. In this I'll paste it and I'll go for my, see here it is showing. When I click on that, it will show nice you have triggered this message. You can change the message also. Here I will show you. See here show live alert. So you can write also, click on me to show an alert. And I'll save it. See, it is showing click on me to show an alert. So this how we can make the different types of alerts using Bootstrap. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to